हमारी एक बहुत ही प्यारी बेटी, मुहाजिर कौम की बेटी, जो यहीं अमेरिका में पली बड़ी है, लेकिन एनक्यूएम और कायद और तहरीक से उसकी वाकफियत और उसकी मोहब्बत का वो इजहार करना चाहती है। मैं यहाँ दावत दूंगा हानिया उस्मानी को, हानिया बेटी को, कि वो यहाँ आए और जो वो कहना चाहती है, जो वो पढ़ना चाहती है, वो यहाँ आकर पढ़े। हानिया उस्मानी, हानिया उस्मानी। आजो बेटी।
Assalamualaikum. The purpose of my struggle was to transform Pakistan into a country where the life of every citizen would be protected and safe, and where followers of one religion would not kill followers of another religion. I wanted to change the social and political environment of the country where everyone would enjoy equal rights, self-esteem, and protection of life and property. My struggle could not be confined to a particular circle, but it was for the people of the country alike, because my struggle is to liberate the oppressed from the slavery of the feud. My heart bleeds when Shia and Sunni Muslims are killed because of their sect. I want to eliminate all forms of violence and bloodshed, and to elevate the people to the level of humanity from where they should protect and respect each other. These very words were said by Altaf Hussein, stating that no matter your race, religion, and political background, we all should be treated with respect and the same mannerisms. Altaf Hussein also states that we should liberate and advocate for others instead of getting violent. Altaf Hussein often brings up valid points relating to equity and eliminating discrimination altogether. If you don't know who Altaf Hussein is, he is a revolutionary Pakistani politician forced to be in exile in the UK for 3 decades. He is the only true leader in South Asia, especially in Pakistan, who has been struggling for the empowerment of 98% majority of the country, taking power from 2% elites. And due to this, he and his party MQM faces the brutal oppression from ruling elites of the country. His birthright to speech and expression is banned since 6 years. By force, his party has been split into many parts. He cannot talk to his millions of followers since 1984 to this day. 25,000 party workers have been extrajudicially killed by law enforcement agencies. Many workers are in jail for no reason. Many are forcefully picked up by state and disappearing since long. Their loved ones are living in fearful and stressful lives. And this is why Altaf Hussein has decided to seek freedom from his unending oppression and his struggle of freedom. We all are with our leader Altaf Hussein.
MashaAllah, MashaAllah. MashaAllah, MashaAllah, MashaAllah. MashaAllah, Hania Usmani, wonderful, wonderful. Stay blessed and happy. तो अल्ताफ भाई ने हानिया उस्मानी तुम्हारी ये सारी गुफ्तगू सुनी है और वो देख रहे हैं, ये प्रोग्राम सुन रहे हैं। तो अब इस प्रोग्राम को हम आगे बढ़ाते हैं और मेरे